Using a PayPal card is a convenient way to make purchases online or in person, and it is linked directly to your PayPal account. To get started, you need to have a PayPal account and a PayPal card, which can be ordered from the PayPal website. First, make sure you have activated your PayPal card by following the instructions provided with the card. Once activated, you can use your card to make purchases online or in stores. To pay using your PayPal card online, select the PayPal payment option at checkout. Then enter your card details and confirm the transaction. You can also link your card to your PayPal account for easy checkout. In stores, you can use your PayPal card like any other debit or credit card. Simply swipe or insert your card into the payment terminal and enter your PIN or provide your signature to complete the transaction. It is also possible to use your PayPal card to withdraw cash from an ATM. But be aware that you may be charged a fee for this service. To do this, insert your card into an ATM, enter your PIN, and select the withdrawal option. To check your balance or transaction history, log into your PayPal account online or through the mobile app. Here, you can also view your recent transactions, check your balance, and manage your account settings. To ensure the security of your account, always keep your card and account details safe, and be cautious when using your card online or in public. Monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity, and report any issues to PayPal immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your PayPal card with confidence and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and secure to get the most out of your PayPal card.